Hi, this is the first scenario in module 9, how to implement checkpoints in a package. So let's say we have a package and we have a couple of tasks there, and during the execution at one task our package was failed, and this was a very heavy task, and when we rerun the package again it will be restarted from the first task. What we don't want to start from the first task. We want the package to start from the point of failure, means the task where it was failed in last execution. So to implement that requirement, we have to use the SSIS checkpoints. SSIS provides a way to implement this functionality of restart ability of the package. So let's jump into the demonstration. We have already created this package and we have couple of tasks there: execute SQL task, data flow task, and again data flow task, and then script task. Let's suppose we have all these very heavy tasks there, and during the execution, if the package is failed at either uh, one of these tasks, and so when we rerun this package should restart from the point of that failure. So let's execute this package for now. Okay, it completed successfully, and let's say I have simulated an error there explicitly. So let's execute this. It was failed at the second data flow task. Let's execute it one more time. It restarted from the first task. Let's again restart this package. It again started from the first task. What we don't want, we want to start it from this load data to data flow task. So how to configure that? We have to right click on this package and go to the properties, and at the top you will see that there is a checkpoints section. It has three properties: checkpoint file name, checkpoint uses, save checkpoints. So save checkpoints is a save the checkpoints, true or false. So we want to save the checkpoints. And checkpoints uses. So let's see what properties are available. There are three properties: never, if exist, or always. So if exist is recommended to tell this package that if the checkpoint file is available, then only perform this checkpoints. So where is the checkpoint file? This is the checkpoint file name. So we will provide a location and the file name of the checkpoints. So I am creating a file SSIS checkpoints at some location. So now we have configured all three properties. So it will log some details in this checkpoint file when the package is failed at some task, and if that file exists, then only it will perform the restart ability. And save the checkpoints is true, it will save the checkpoints. So let's execute this package. You can see this package is failed at this point. So this is the checkpoint file that we had used. So let's open this file, and this is something like XML file. You can see opening and closing of the of this file. This is the XML syntax. XML syntax. So checkpoint file is a XML file. Remember it. And we know that there is problem in this task, and we know what is the issue. We would resolve this issue manually because there is conversion issue, and I will correct this. Okay, save this file and execute, and it should start from this point. Yeah, you can see that it is started from this point where it was failed in last execution. So now let's see whether the file is available. No, now this file is not available, it has removed. So next time we will execute this package, the whole package will be executed. So there is no error, it executed successfully. Again, if we simulate this error and save this package, execute this package, you will see a checkpoint file is created. Yes, this file was created. And again, we will resolve this issue. It should start from the point of failure. Yes, it is started from this point of failure. So this is how we can configure the checkpoints. This is using just three properties: checkpoint file name, checkpoint usage, and save checkpoints. Okay.